Hello everyone, myself Harvinder, Science Faculty at New Careers Academy. Now I'm going to solve NDA 1 2022 science questions, and also I will display you notes as well with each question so as to prove that 90% of questions are asked from our notes, and this is what we claim. The specific latent heat of vaporization of a substance is the quantity of heat needed to change unit mass from. So see, heat of vaporization. Vaporization means to convert into vapor. Obviously, liquid will be converted into vapor. So, and this is mentioned in notes also about latent heat of vaporization. So, this is the heat energy needed to convert liquid to vapor without a change in temperature. So option B is correct answer. Next, evaporation from the surface of a given liquid take place more rapidly when. So let us see from notes. Evaporation, rate of evaporation increases with increase in temperature and increases with increase in surface area. So direct question and an easy question. So let us read option A. The temperature is high and when the surface area of liquid is large. Yeah, this is true. And temperature and surface area are large, evaporation would happen more rapidly. Next question, an electric wire of resistance 50 ohm is cut into 5 equal halves. There is wire having resistance as 50 ohm. If we cut it into 5 equal halves, the resistance of each half would be 10 ohm. Now, if we connect these 5 pieces in parallel combination, the equivalent resistance would be, formula for equivalent resistance for parallel circuit is 1 upon R1 plus R2 and so on, 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10 plus. So the equivalent resistance would be 2 ohms. So option E. For this, we need to know about two things. First, that resistance is proportional to length, and second, that formula for equivalent resistance when resistors are connected in parallel combination. Next, which one of the following is not a solution? Okay, not a solution. So what are solutions? Solutions are mixtures. Okay, solutions are mixtures. So that means we have to identify the element given hai ya compound given hai, right? Alloy are mixture. Alloy are homogeneous mixture of metal, metal or metal, non-metal. Emulsion is a milk is a emulsion. Okay, again a colloidal solution. Air is a mixture. Option D is correct answer. Sugar is compound. Sugar is not mixture. The next question, refining of petroleum is carried out by which one of the following techniques? Again, direct question. So distillation is the answer. Distillation is used for different fraction of petroleum from petroleum products. So correct answer is option B, fractional distillation. Next, which one of the following is a chemical change? So what are physical changes and chemical changes? In physical changes, only state of matter changes. Okay, dissolving sugar in water, individual properties remain intact when we add sugar in water. Melting of ice is a physical change, only state changes. Crystallization, to make pure form of something. Again, no change in formula. D, milk turning sour. When milk turns sour, acid content increases. Okay, so D is correct answer. D is chemical change. Next, which one of the following is the correct molecular formula for ammonium carbonate if the valency of ammonium ion is +1 and carbonate anion is -2? So for this, you need to know about valency concept. Okay, so in order to be neutral, okay, so charges should be balanced. So see, ammonium, what they have given is ammonium ion has 1 unit positive charge, NH4 positive, and carbonate anion. Carbonate is CO3, 2 negative. So to balance this 2 negative, we need to have 2 molecules of ammonium. The formula is NH4 whole twice CO3. Option A is correct answer. Which one of the following is a covalent compound? Okay, यहाँ पे आपको ionic compounds का given है. What are ionic compound? Formed by exchange of electrons. Okay, some examples are magnesium chloride, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, NaCl. These. So we know that calcium oxide is ionic, sodium nitride is ionic, zinc sulfide is ionic, silicon carbide, having silicon and carbon. This is a covalent compound. Others are ionic. Option C. Next, the mass number of argon is 40. Which one of the following statement is correct? Okay, argon mass number 40, right? So it has 22 electrons, and we know about atomic number of argon. 18 is atomic number. That means 18 protons, okay, and 18 electrons. So now let us read statements. The number of proton in argon is 22. No, number of proton are 18. So this is incorrect. Number of neutron are 18. We can check this, right? Number of electron are 18. Yes, this is also true. The sum of number of proton and electron in argon is 40. Yes, mass number is sorry. Okay, I'm saying correct पूछा है. Right. So correct is option C. The number of electrons are 18. This statement is incorrect since its mass number is 40. 40 mass number means neutron plus proton. So protons are 18, rest 22 are neutrons. So this is also incorrect. Okay, and sum of proton and neutron is 40. Okay, mass number is 40. This is incorrect. Option C is correct answer. Next, which one of the following is correct order of valencies of element neon, silicon, nitrogen, and magnesium? So here we need to consider only the numerical value, not positive negative sign. Okay. So valency of neon is 0, magnesium +2, nitrogen -3, and one more, silicon 4. Okay. So correct order would be 4, 3, 2, 0. Option A is correct answer. Which one of the following is represent the SI unit of resistivity? Resistivity is R is equal to resistivity L by A. So solving this, we can get unit of resistivity, which is ohm meters. So answer is again direct question. Ohm meter, option D. Question number 66. What is the current required to light a 60-watt incandescent bulb in a domestic supply of 240 volt? Direct question. And again, this question, this formula was asked in NDA also and in CAPF also. So here we use formula for power. P is equal to VI. P is equal to VI current. We need to find current. So current would be P by V. 60 by 240, right? So answer is option B, 0.25. amperes. Next, what is dimension of gravitational constant? Gravitational constant is capital G. Capital G is, this is the formula, okay? Capital G is F R square M1 into M2. We know dimensions of force, MLT -2, and R. R is radius, so dimensions are of length, L square, upon M1 and M2 are masses, so dimension would be M, capital M, and M square. This would be M -1 L cube T -2. Correct answer is option B, M -1 L cube T -2 are dimensions for capital G. Next, a ball is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 40 meters per second. The time taken the ball to reach maximum height would be approximately. So at maximum height, final velocity is 0 once it attains maximum height. Okay. Initial velocity is given 40 meters per second. Acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8, and we need to calculate time. So for this, we need to know about equation of motion, which is v is equal to u plus at. So by using this, we get the answer as 4 seconds. Option C. Next, the time period for 1 meter long pendulum approximates to. The time period of simple pendulum is given by t is equal to 2 pi L by G. L is given as 1 meter. We know the value of G. We can take here it as approximately 10 meter per second square. Solving this, we get approximately, the correct is 1.98, so approximately 2 seconds. This is correct. Next, which one of the following statement about living and non-living are true? First statement, while living being can demonstrate growth and repair, non-living being cannot. Statement 2, while living being demonstrate metabolic processes, non-living does not. So we know that only living organisms, they have metabolism. Okay, metabolism is sum of chemical reactions occurring in a body. This is definitely true. What about this? Non-living being cannot. So growth is not the defining property of living. Okay, non-living things can also grow. For example, mountains. If height of mountain increases, that is growth. Okay, non-living can also grow. So using that concept, only statement 2 is correct. This is correct answer. Next question, which one of the following statement about vacuole is not correct? Okay, so vacuoles are present in plant cells. Okay, so this actually is about vacuole. Okay, and also they occupy 90% of volume of cell. This is true. In plant cell, vacuoles provide rigidity and turgidity and rigidity. True. Vacuoles are absent in animal cells. Okay, so vacuoles are not absent in animal cells. Vacuoles are present but small and temporary. They are small and temporary. They are present. So the not correct statement is option D. Vacuoles are absent in animal cells. 74. In aquatic plants, large air sacs give them buoyancy effects. These sacs are surrounded by which one of the following type of tissues? To see, again a direct question. Point number 8 in notes. In hydrophytes, large air cavities are present, जिन्हें एरेनकाइमा बोलते हैं. They provide buoyancy to plants. This एरेनकाइमा is modified form of parenchyma. What would be the correct answer? Option A, parenchyma. Okay, hydrophytes are plants which grow in water. Aquatic plants. Parenchyma is the answer. Next, which one of the following belongs to Pisces? Indirect question. So these are few points about Pisces class, and these are some examples: seahorse, flying fish, climbing fish, and dogfish. So in options, one option is dogfish. Option A is correct. Dogfish. Starfish belongs to Coelenterata. Okay, silverfish is insect. No, sorry. Starfish belongs to a echinodermid. Silverfish insect hai. Jellyfish belong to coelenterids. So to Pisces, dogfish is the correct answer. Okay, it belongs to Pisces. Next, which one of the following group is called amphibians of plant kingdom? Again, direct question. So these are few points about bryophytes. So bryophytes are called amphibians of plant kingdom because they are dependent on water for their reproduction, for sexual reproduction. So option A, bryophytes are called amphibians of plant kingdom. 77, which one of the following is caused by bacterial pathogen? Okay, so here is list of diseases which are caused by bacteria. The first disease is typhoid. Okay, direct question. Bacterial disease is typhoid. COVID is viral. Dengue fever is viral, though spread by mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are vector here, but they carry virus. Okay, mosquitoes carry virus. So dengue is a viral disease. AIDS, again, viral disease caused by HIV. D, typhoid fever is the answer. Twinkling of stars is due to, direct question, twinkling of stars. These are the phenomena which occur due to atmospheric refraction. Twinkling of stars is due to refraction of starlight. Next, a mass m is dragged by a pulley on a horizontal plane by a force anti-parallel to its displacement. When force and displacement are anti-parallel, okay, when force and they are anti-parallel, then work done is negative. So option D is the answer. Indirect question. Next, a 5 Newton force is defined when a mass of 10 kg is accelerated with. So here we use the formula F is equal to ma. So here we have to find, okay, acceleration. So force is 5, mass is 10. Acceleration would be 1 by 2. Okay, so 0.5 meter per second square. Option B is correct answer. The energy possessed by a body due to change in its position. Direct question. This is definition of potential energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its position or its shape is called potential energy. Answer is option B, potential energy. 83. A sound wave has a frequency of 1 kilohertz and a wavelength 50 centimeter. How long will it take to travel 1 kilometer? So see, velocity formula for this is formula which gives relationship between speed, wavelength, and frequency. So speed is wavelength into frequency, wavelength into frequency. Wavelength is given as 50 centimeter and frequency as 1. Taking it as 50, and we know okay, we can need to convert it into, since it's in kilohertz, so इसे convert करेंगे into hertz, and also ये centimeter में है, divide by 100. Okay. V is 50, and using speed, distance, and time formula, speed is distance by time. What we need to find here is time. So D by S. We take D as 1000 meters, and speed we calculated, speed is 500. So option is, correct option is 2 seconds. Okay, you know the formula for speed, distance, and time here. You need to know this formula. Velocity is equal to wavelength into frequency. 84. An element with an atomic number 35, which one of the following would be correct? So here is electronic configuration of first 20 elements, but we know how to do electronic configuration. So doing that, if element has 35 atomic number, that means 35 electrons. We get 7 as valence electrons. Option D. Which one of the following allotropes of carbon is isomorphous with crystalline silicon? Its answer is D. Since diamond and crystalline silicon, they represent each other. They are similar. They have similar structure. Okay, crystalline structure. So option B. Colorless hydrogen gas. So yes, hydrogen is colorless gas, right? Very simple question. Which one of the following is not a pigment? See, zinc oxide, chalk, and white lead, they are used in paints. Chalk is not used, but chalk is a pigment. Okay, so not a pigment is silica. Silica is used in paints, but for some other purposes. Okay, and ये कुछ paints के बारे में given है, and major composition. Next, which one of the following statement about fertilizers is not correct? So see, fertilizers. Fertilizers mainly plant have nitrogen deficiency. So plants need to be provided with nitrogen too in absorbable forms. So we use urea. Urea is nitrogen containing fertilizer, not a phosphorus containing fertilizer. So option A is not correct statement. Okay, here they asked about not correct. So option A. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Most carbon compounds are good conductor of electricity. No. Carbon compound, only graphite is good conductor of electricity. Okay, so this statement is false. And this is the answer. Bonding in organic compound is covalent. This is true. Graphite is used as dry lubricant. True. Diamond is allotrope of an carbon. True. Okay, so correct option is option A. Next, which one of the following is an example of decomposition reaction? Again, direct question. Okay, decomposition reaction. This thermal decomposition. AgCl decomposes into 2 atoms of silver and chlorine gas. So this reaction is given. So option B is correct. 92. A cell is unable to synthesize lipid. Which one of the organelle might be defective? So we know function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So their functions are given. One of the primary function is synthesis of lipid and steroid. So if there is problem with lipid synthesis, that means smooth endoplasmic reticulum is defected. Option A. If object experience a buoyancy, all object experience a buoyancy when they are immersed in a fluid. Buoyancy is, what is buoyancy? Direct question. Buoyancy is an upward force. Okay? This is called force of buoyancy, which liquid exert or इसे upthrust बोलते हैं in opposite direction of gravitation. So answer is option C, an upward force. 96 according to Fleming's right hand rule. Okay, so this is Fleming's right hand rule, and here they asked about what does middle finger indicate. So this thumb indicates the direction of force, index finger indicates direction of magnetic field, middle finger indicates direction of induced current, not current, induced current. So option C is correct answer. Unit was direct question. 97. Two resistors R1 and R2 are arranged in parallel combination in an electric circuit. They are made up of the same material and of same thickness. If length of R2 is twice that of R1, the total resistance R satisfies. See, R1 has resistance rho L by A and R2 rho, but its length is twice that of R1. So 2L upon A. So taking ratios, we get, yes, R2 is equal to 2R1. Okay. Now using parallel combination formula, we have 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon 2R1 in place of R2. So solving for this, we need to solve for R and we need to find relation between R and R1. So solving this, we get, okay, so its correct answer is 3R is equal to 2R1. Okay. So this is formula for parallel combination. This is for two resistors. Next question, what would be the magnification produced by a convex lens of 10 centimeter? Okay, focal length 10 centimeter and magnification. When image is formed at a distance 5 centimeter from the lens. So again, a question from this image formation by convex lenses. So, right. Oh, I need to check its answer, okay? I'll get to this question again. So next question. A wooden box of 2 kg and dimensions 30, 15 and 10 is placed on a table with side 30 centimeter and 10 centimeter touching the tabletop. Which one of the following is approximate pressure exerted on the table? Pressure is force upon area. Here force is mg, okay, which is exerted by a wooden box on table. This would be mg 2 into, ये आपको mass given है, okay, into 9.8, or we can take it as 10 also. What would be area? We need to convert, so it would be L into B, and also we need to convert centimeter into meters. Okay, so solving this, we get pressure as 666.6 Newton per meter square. Option D is correct answer. And correct answer option for this question is option A. Okay, so these were the question. Thank you everyone for watching.